So this is one of the woodland trails behind the back of my house. I walk this most days. I walk around it 3 times, which is about 2.5 miles. And over the course of a week or a month or a year, that's quite a lot of miles. So sometimes it can be a low intensity workout. You will get warm, you will get hot. And most of all, it's fun to do in nature. What I like most about this walk is that you've just got time to think. You can reconnect with nature, your natural surroundings, get the air to your body, to your face, to your hair. Not every exercise you do has to be push-ups and sit-ups and 100 roundhouse kicks before 8 AM. It could be just a walk like this. And if you don't have a nature reserve where you live, then, you know, maybe go for a walk in your surroundings, wherever it is, even if it's very residential and built up. Councils spend a lot of money every year apparently maintaining these woods, but I actually think it doesn't need maintaining. If there's an unsafe tree because of a storm or whatever, okay, cut it down, but otherwise it doesn't need maintaining. From a safety aspect, probably good to go earlier in the day. I've come here later at night, and people will be here with dogs, but sometimes they'll be taking drugs. This bench I'm passing now, there's a lot of remnants of marijuana and other drugs being used there. So one round takes me about 10 minutes. If I walk fast. Other times I'm walking a bit more leisurely, like today. Maybe 12 or 13 minutes. Like I said, there's no need to rush. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy this beautiful world we're in. Be thankful you got, you know, legs to walk with and appreciate it. You can breathe the clean air into your lungs. This pond's a bit overrun with algae and other foliage, which is a shame. Just tells you the council aren't spending their money in the right way, because there used to be ducks that lived here. I'll often be told walking is the best exercise, and I think that's true. This is the area just behind the houses. My cats come through here sometimes. We all need exercise, whether we're a human or a cat. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this video up. Hope it inspires you to get out there and enjoy nature, get out in your natural environment, and I will talk to you again soon.